How to backtest your strategy on Forex.com platform. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Forex.com app. Launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, if you already have an account, you can log into your account. If you don't, you can create a new account first. Tap on the sign up button. First of all, you need to know that backtesting is a method of testing your trading strategy against historical data before using it in a live market. Backtesting a trading strategy can be performed manually using a free demo account. When you create your demo account, you will receive virtual funds. It is completely free of cost, and you can use your strategy and test your skills over there. So select this demo account. You can fill out your information and create your demo account. After that, you can look for entry points, follow the trade opportunities through their exit points, record the outcome of all the trades, find the net return, and calculate a % return on the total period. You can do all of these on your demo account, so you don't have to risk of losing any money. So that's how you can easily backtest your strategy on Forex.com platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.